I'm glad I went. It was, well, at first it was too loud. Thousands of chaotic screams and cries within a whirlpool of colour. I stood there, dressed head to toe in dull. Grey moccasins, grey cardigan, grey hair. I looked about and everyone was bustling past in bright reds and blues and obnoxious neon pinks. It felt like standing in the middle of a roundabout, fast-moving traffic curling by at every side of me in a blur of glowing lights. And I was still, silent.
Stationary. I kept thinking, it's not too late to go home, to turn back to my grey sofa, grey curtains, grey life.
But then this lad, he must have been, 18 or so? Oh, he was a tiny little thing wearing a rainbow beanie, and he grabbed my hand. Before I knew it, I was on the move. I was flying forward, stomping on purple streamers and yellow clumps of confetti. As I marched, the racket, the once unbearable noise, morphed into music.
One huge harmonic orchestra of clashing colours and tightly held hands shouting for love.
Suddenly, I wished I were clad in that persistent fuchsia pink and putrid green. By the time we reached the festival, I'd seen others like me. A shy man of 40, carrying behind a baseball cap with a rainbow flag, who was unable to control his dancing feet. A lady, a little older than me, whose hand would momentarily hold another's hand before her grasp would slip back into obscurity. I was not alone. As I watched, I felt the warm grip of my colourful guide loosen, and I thought I'd lost him. Maybe it was all how I had feared. Perhaps I really was a grey, looming cloud on this clear and vibrant day. But as I turned to check, I saw he was simply using his withdrawn mitt to reapply the rainbow paint across his face. That's when I looked at him and said, "Paint me too."